All right, welcome to another installment of Zoom In podcast with myself, Jacinta Zinhlumango Beswaga Zoom. And today's Khuluma Udaba olubalulekile that has been trending. And we've seen a lot of updates about it, things that have been happening, but it's really the issue that talks about the LGBTQI community nongajabuli kwabo after ama utterances umsakazi ophinda be upresident weBhinqa Nation uNgizwe Mchunu ethi laphana ukugqoka imvunulo yesintu is not something ekufanele ngabe iya promotewa or yenziwa abantu who are getting married as per their sexual preferences, that is gays, lesbians, etc., from the LGBTQI community. So joining us right now, uyenage uMacingwane, who is with us, and also ozobekhulumela ke LGBTQI community, uAlutha Humbane, who is a beautiful transgender, and she's going to be telling us ukuthi ke ukholelwa ekuthenini lama answerances angizwe Mchunu anayiphi imthelela. Macingwane, welcome to iZoom In.
Yebo njani Ntombi?
Siyaphila njani Macingwane?
Sikhona.
Alutha sikwamukele.
Sanibonani, ngibingelele Sis Jacinta nawe baba Mchunu, ngiyabingelela napha e-studio.
Sejabula ukuba nani nobabili ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi le nkulumo ibaluleka kakhulu. Sesibonile umsindo obukhona over social media. Ngiyazi ukuthi Macingwane ukuze waya nakwamayimayi kuthiwa ke ubuyo zama ukuphesha udweshu mebesho. Ngifisa ukuzwa nje kuwena Macingwane ukuthi uhambo lakho la kwamayimayi belumayelana nani masibheka inkulumo yakho yokuthi i-LGBTQI community kumele ingahlobisi ngezinto zesintu uma ishada.
Yebo, ngikubuza lapha nje ngizokuthiwa uthatha yini umele abatransformer ukhuluma into njengaleyo.
Alutha ngicela uzichaze wena please uMacingwane khona uzom-enlightenisha.
Manje ngiqhubana nodaba la ngihamba nomuntu la engingezwanga ukuthi utheni umele ama-transformer noma umele ini.
Transgender Macingwane, transgender.
Sure, Macingwane.
Abantu abathembakele.
Uzokuchazela. Alutha ngicela umchazele uMacingwane ukuthi what it means to be a transgender.
Yeah, ngiqale ngixolisa ukuthi babongizwe isikole asigijimanga kakhulu. Mhlawumbe waphuma ngekhefu, ezinye izinto ngeke uzozazi. Kodwa ke just to put it into context, khona uzo-understanda. U-LGBTI, khona lo T, o part of LGBTI, ochaza ukuthi khona abantu abawu-transgender.
I think it's fine. Thank you for taking me through.
No, bengakaqedi ukuthetha ukunikeza ithuba because mawukhuluma ngey'tabane ufuna u-understand ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. So that you don't get over emotional, over into ongayazi, because ila uzogcina khona usugcwala uflawa ebusweni. So masikhuluma khona ngo-transgender, sikhuluma ngabantu abasuke bezalwe banikezwa ubulili obuthile. So uma umuntu wesilisa uzalwe kwa umuntu wesilisa, kodwa indlela ophila ngayo uyiphila the opposite way, so ungumuntu wesifazane and kusuke kuqhamuka kwena. And balulekile ukuthi ngiphinde ngikudalule ukuthi kukhona ubulili bendalo, khona ubulili bokhanda, kukhona i-biological sex, khona i-gender identity. Njengoba lezi zinto zihlukile ziqonda ukuthi nokuba khona komuntu masikhuluma ngobulili asigcini kuphela ngokubuka izitho zangasese, but kukhona okuningi, khona ama-internal sexual and reproductive organs, kuphinde kube khona izinto ey'fana njengoma-chromosomes. Meaning, when you talk about identity ne-gender, asiyigcinji ngesitho sangasese. So umuntu o-transgender mina-ke uSisi Alutha. I hope uyachazela.
Wawuzalwe indoda uphula amasende awusuba ngowesifazane.
Angazi noma ngizothi ngaphula amasende yini. Ngazalwa nganikezwa kuthiwa ngumuntu wesilisa, kodwa ngiphila.
Uphula amasende wayithena.
Macingwane myeke phela usechazile manje. Udaba esize ngalo ilolu mayelana nalelo kade ngikubuza ukuthi kamayimayi uhambile ube njani uhambo lakho liyakhona nenhloso yalo bekuyini?
Uhambo lami lokwamayimayi one okokuqala asiqale nje ngemessage dadewethu. Uyezwa yini?
Ngikuzwa kahle Macimane.
Silalele.
Ngicela ukwamukela nawe dadewethu uTransgender, ngiyakubonga kakhulu ukuthi sibe ndawonye njengabakithi regardless of ukuthi kunama differences angakanani angabakhona mhlawumbe in terms of engagements, not in terms of principle and the rule of law of this country. There's nothing discriminating that is we disallow to happen when our country and our government decided to put a stamp, say that we allow such transgenders, such people, A's and B's to be under constitution years and Senegal Africa. Locals are one that's been a king and if we had a problem we can't fight now. How many years then again, and we are living in a also a cultural country, allow abantu to practice their cultural and custom freely and fairly, irregardless of their beliefs, and also to respect other cultures. Into yokuqala-ke ukuthi-ke lana sinankinga thina labantu abama-gays and lesbians, ukuphila kwabo nendlela abaphila ngayo. In fact, kunoma sibe nenkinga sa-understand ukuthi uhulumeni webemukelile abazalwe benjalo noma abazalwa ngabenjalo ababezitha abantu ngokupapa konke lokho asinankinga nakho kodwa ngisho emcimbini bayephatha imicimbi basiqhubeke iteshi sihagale nabo singabi nankinga. We respect each other's space. Bayahlekisa, the majority of them bayahlekisa, and the majority of them they are smart. We must not deny that. Even in some sectors law medical uzobathola abaningi sisiyamukele nokumnandi inkinga iqala la ekutheni ke uma ngabe ke ma sesingahloniphani ngokwamukelana nangokuhambisana ngokuthi kunama limit, especially to us. I will speak this on behalf of the Zulu nation, the Zulu customary law, and also the Zulu tradition as a Zulu man. Ukuthi imvunulo yethu is categorized, and manga lokwenze umonakalo mningi ethi imvunulo yenzakalayo kodwa ayafana ama levels. This level of now, especially on social media update kangaka kuyichile elikhulu ukuthi indoda ingakhupha imvunulo igqoke njengesilo no emveni kwalokho iqedwe ukubhinqa njengesilo ihambe iyoqabula enye indoda ifake ulimi emlonyeni bathi bayashada, using our culture, using ingubo yethu yokwembatha, using ingubo yethu yokuthandaza. Yileyo nto eyasukumitha sibangela uhevane, sasizwa siyinqunu sothulu, sasizwa selulazekile siwudlulu, sasizwa silula sengamabhinqa, sasukuma sababaza sakhuza umhlola as an authorized speaker of the Zulu kingdom appointed by this budget the king, Mrs.
All right. So, alutha kuthini wakho kuphawula kulento esho Macingwane, because what he's saying is abana inkinga nama life choices, but when it comes to culture, there are certain things ekumele nizihloniphe ezingekho ezandleni zenu ezizisedle ezandleni zosiko in general, and kunemgomo nemibandela njengaba nje when it comes to religion amasonto athizwe nemigomo yabo, when it comes to tradition nabo uthi banemgomo esinayo kumele ngabe siyayilandelela, hayi ngoba benenkinga nesexuality, banenkinga nokuwela phe kwalemgomo le ekhona.
Ngakubonga njena inkulumo yakhe which is affirming that we should to stay understand ukuthi kubalekile ukuqoquleni. I think ngizoqala ngithi i-conversation around culture is one ekumele sibe nayo, ibalulekile futhi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ubekwe as a custodian of culture, particularly the Zulu culture. Ngizokhuluma ngayo imvunulo. Yes, ngiyamthanda mayethi kune problem if ezoyigqoka exactly like abantwana basebukhosini, because somehow akekho umuntu onisha the principles of imvunulo siqale lapho, because funeke sibuyele back to endulo ukuthi imvunulo isikhumba sasigqoka because babengekho kotini. Seke samuzwa nje nasey'nkundleni ekhuluma ngo-Brentwood, which Brentwood is a very origin from the West. So for yena ukufeel entitled ukuthi I own, it's another thing for another conversation. I think ukube mhlambe ubaba uze wathi ake sixoxisane because khona la singaboni kahle khona in terms of ama guidelines ahambisana nokugqokwa kweimpahla zesintu, particularly a combination lefana ncamashi neyenkosi or eyasebukhosini. I think if mhlambe be approachwe kanjalo, mhlambe bizoba nesidima nesithunzi, and also opens us up for the possibility of engaging, not only engaging but also the process of educating one another, because in some spaces njengoba ku 2025 imvunulo ihambe ya evolve, and ama-2K, and some people might not even know that connotations or attachments that are attached to wearing particular parts of isikhumba lemvunulo esibiza ngani. So acknowledge ukuthi we need to have a conversation around how clothes are within the confinement of isiZulu. I'm discrediting ukuthi isiZulu or amaZulu are the custodian of imvunulo, because imvunulo can be interpreted anyhow. But for the fact that we going a machine, that is something that can be argued and can be open for conversation. Okwesibili, inkinga ke manje ke iphume kwimvunulo yasiya kwizitabane. Number one, it's not every stabane ebigqoke imvunulo. It was a reference to that wedding. From then vunulo, it became personal. You went started calling abantu izinja. What abahambe, as if this is your country. I think there's a fine line between freedom of speech and then discriminator. On the conversation, in a nutshell, Jacinta, I think there is a need for robust conversation. Remember, cultures are evolving. Monday to Friday, but the white has never come. But we've never heard abelungu noma abantu abathunga lezo zinto bethi this is ours, we are holding it, because we have opened ourselves to align ourselves with the ideas of the Constitution as it relates to equality, dignity, and freedom for all. But masothi khipha from imvunulo usuzo attacker uzothi azihambe uzithuke, no baba usugamanxe waze weqa uzoma lapho.
All right, so Macingwane uthi alutha la ngokwe conversation noma indlela obeke ngayo inkulumo yakho, yebo kukhona amaphuzo abekayo.
Jacinta, uma utholekela bani bengingalalela mina umzwanga utholekela bani ngabona engage noma ukuze omunye umbuzo, hayi ukuthi manje
cha phela angakafike embuzweni wami nje Macingwane, kodwa qhubeka ke kulungile, qhubeka
Jacinta
qhubeka.
We must be principle here. Awukwazi ukungitholekela inkulumo engizoqalela mina iqala yazofika egcineni
ubamthole ngicela sibuyele back to ingxoxo musukulisa Jacinta about trying to talk indula mawuphendula
ngomongameli
khuluma ke mongameli sikulalela
nazo dadewethu uyiqale kahle inkulumo in your response and ngendlela oyichaze ngayo yokuthi vele uyavuma nawe ukuthi kube nenkinga yokuthi ugcine sekubonakala ngempela sekuthinteka izidleke seyinyosi ebukhosini ngalendlela kuyiyona wakhuluma ngokuthi kulahleka ithuba lokuthi engejeke kahle nifundiseke kahle nawo yonke into. Inkinga ilana dadewethu, mina I will be very frank with you. Phela lalela siyazana sonke. Njoba nami sinazi ukuthi nibheva kanjani niba kanjani, nini nidivethe yonke lento nayenza yafuna ukukhulunywe ngani instead of iphuthe elenzekile. Emveni kwalokho njengoba seningena nina senifala manabala namalungelo nokuthi niwena igaba engakanani, konke lokho bekungeke kuze kufike leso sigaba ekubeni ekuthenini kusukume bona laba abantu abaphethe amalungelo abantu abanjengani bathi chaba kwethu lapha siyacela ukuxolisa lapha kuma-statement sokuxolisa ukuthi sekuthinteke kabi idleke sobukhosi bakwaZulu imvunulo yatholakala imi kabi okungeyona isithombe esihle ngokubukhosi nangokingdom of the Zulu nation. Therefore kodwa sicela abantu abasendlunkulu basondele ngoba into enjengalezi ingaphili iphuthe njengaleli lingaphinde lenzeke. Kodwa ungizwe lokhu kuthetha kwakhe nalendlela abeke ngayo akade asizwanga kahle. Bese-ke kuhlalwa phansi-ke inkinga kwajiwa lapha umuntu odalwe ngendlela yokuthi une-inferior ukuthi angacwaseka noma yinini ngisho ehambe emgwaqeni uyacalaza ukuthi I can be discriminated ngoba culturally into yo-gays nokutabana ayimukelekile and religious ayimukelekile. So manje imukeleke only in the rule of law. Then-ke samukela-ke thina ngayo-ke indlela. Obviously wonke indoda uzalwa indoda nomfazi siyabahlonipha baqasha abantu ngisho emsebenzini bayizimeneja bafundile manomume omuhle futhi siyisizwe sodwa. Inkinga-ke nansi-ke la ikhona isekutheni yini le excitement nale acceleration yokuthi they want to be excited about a lot of things. They don't look at the gist ukuthi they must know ukuthi after so many years we've been living together, what pull up the trigger? Yini le ingono yebele lombuso kaZulu lena ekuyenze sathanya ngalendlela esihlanya ngayo. Kodwa kwesibili okwethu laphana kunoma bebeshe bengezansi bathi bona thina ngesonto sizomtshengisa ukuthi akayilutho waqasha imvunulo abanye abaningi kade beyibuyisela ngizolo nakuthanga beyibuyisela back ngoba bethi abasakwazi ukuvunula. Mina ngathi ngithi mina ngizobonela yebo. That's for statement ukuthi cha sizovunula thina sazi imvunulo labanikazi bayo ngifuna ukubona komnyozo bekavunule bese ngibona ukuthi ubani omkhulu uZulu netabani. And then-ke i-purpose yokuya kwethu iyenzekile ukuthi-ke cha abakwethu akekho umuntu wesifazane nowesilisa ozenza indoda noyindoda ezenza wesilisa ofike evunule lapha wonke abe kahle bese ngayilukuyolwa ingakho bathe no baba mabeba novalo lokuthi masingena ngaphakathi once kusuke impi basivimba sabahlonipha ngoba usiko lakwaZulu there's nothing without respect and honor, especially to an elder. Ngoba obaba besikhulumile nabo ukuthi ngizofika mina bevele kungamenywe imasi kodwa abantu ngentuthela bebenayo bebagcine sebehlangana beba yidlanzana ababe baningi. So ke manje it's simple, but how should I present myself to the society and ingane mangabe iyona egcekeni ikhuluma nayo ingezwa ingahloniphi, and you can't choose how do I treat and what I say because this is my country, South Africa, so I have a right. When you fail to play with the rules and regulation and honor the culture, instead you are exaggerating that you're doing further. Even your own child, you can never allow your own child it's either it's me, it's you or highway. It's either it's me or highway. If there is a cultural law of a humanity, salage ngeke ijabule ingane ethi mntanami usungehlule nazi here nazi indlu nakho ukuthi ngihamba mina ngiyoshawa umoya ngoba wena ufuna ukungilalela. So
Macengwane ngicela ukubuza nje la ngenxa yesikhathi angiqondile ukunqamula kodwa ngiyenzela ukuthi nje sigoqe ngibona isikhathi sami engathi sesiyangishaya. Ngifuna ukuthola la ukuthi uthi uAlutha and sengiyibonile le conversation. Ima. So ngifuna ukuza ukuthi uAlutha ukhala ngendlela okhulume ngayo ukuthi yona ibisithina bezisithunzi sabantu bingasa address indaba yemvunulo. Ngalapho unakho yini ukuthi kuhlalwe phansi nawe uxolise ekuthenini ungawa raise ama points akho bakuzwe nawe bese uyakwazi ukuthi uxolise ukuze kwazi ukuthi conversation iqhubeke phambili ngoba
I think Jacinta
you can't teach me how to set the rules in my house.
But the problem macengana kubona in your house.
Never.
Yo, Alutha. I just want to find out. Ngicela ukuthi before ngikunika ithuba ngoba sengizonika ithuba nivale. I want to find out njengoba bengibuza uMacingwane ukuthi yena angavuma yini ukuthi for the interest of ukuthi le conversation kumele ibe khona. Kumele kube khona la ekuba khona ukuzwana ne-understanding and moving forward. Ukuthi nina-ke as the LGBTQI community, uMacingwane is raising an issue ukuthi njalo mangabe umuntu raise an issue against izinto angaziboni or angaziqondi angahambisani nani as a community, the first thing eniyenzayo is want to cancel people and you want to silence them. You don't want to have a conversation so that people can learn, bafunde, nabo bese beyakwazi ukuthi ban-accepte, because vele i-LGBTQI community is not into engazi ngisho ukuthi into abantu abayi-accepta kalula. So in order for them to accept it and move on and get used to it ngokwempilo, some people find it difficult. Some of us don't really care ukuthi umuntu sexuality yakhe ithini. It's their choice, it's their life. But abanye who are having a difficult time, do you not want to mother them into understanding better by educating them instead of ukubavala, ukubalwisa, and so forth?
Sure, ngibonge futhi Jacinta. Ngizoqala lana. I think iphutha libe sekutheni ukuthi uMacingwane is not government and is not the actual representative of the Zulu culture. He's the one that has ordained himself in that space. And as a result, if it was the traditional house or in Riasepkosi, they would have been very curated in how they speak about this. Abantu LGBT have been victimized for so many years. They've had to explain themselves for so many years. And it's very unfair that every time, I mean, there's so many education that has been going around educating people about the existence of LGBTI, and majority of even labantu akakhulumesa umbuzo ukuthi LGBTI akakwazi nokuchaza. Mambuzo ukuthi gender identity akakwazi nokuchaza. Meaning, somewhere along the lines, part of the challenge is the ignorance and resistance for change. As it relates to imvunulo, yabona lento iqale ngemvunulo. Angazi sifike phela kusethiwa khona iqabane azihamba.
Ayihambe namanje neflegeleni hambani finish. Nina manje nina ningiphushele ehlathini navala ama-account yami navala yonke into yami ngoba nina ngendlela anihuman ngayo nikwazi ukufonela ngisho inkampani ezibe zingisiza ngey'moto nilwe nazo ngoba nina obaba benu nomama benu uthola ukuthi abanye benu badutshulwa zigebengu kodwa namhlanje zisejele ziyadla zinengubo yokwembatha nengitsipho yokugeza. The first thing you do is to cancel people. Then that isho uJacinta uqinisile ngoba ningosathane vele back off.
All right, sure, Baba Mchunu.
Okay, Macingwane.
Unfortunately, the country is not governed by Oku. There is a particular structure and means of communicating issues also go now. Inkinga expect how you feel about LGBTI people is what you are doing right now. You are perpetuating hate because in the laws is wangayo. So that you can have everybody creating a war. Umbuzo wami uqala ukuthi isiphi izathu lesi onaso esiyinzondo for abantu aba LGBTI kangaka, because this sounds very personal for you to get so emotional. It's very personal. It has nothing to do with imvunulo. Mind you, labade begqokile imvunulo beshada akubona bokuqala. Khona uCameron no prof laphayana abashada way back I think in 2014 ababegqokile imvunulo. We had this conversation already in the presence of traditional structures, in the presence of Ukokta. I think you need to be reminded that as we live in a democratic country, we are guided by the Constitution, not the Mchunu. And we do acknowledge that there needs to be robust conversations around culture, but it shouldn't be conversation that minimizes or invalidates the existence of others. Baningi abantu aba-LGBTI ababulewa ama-reckless comments anjengawakho. Ukukushut down nokucancelisha, it's to cancel you because you do not understand ukuthi i-role yakamthunu igcina kamthunu, not mesiphume ezigalaleni. Futhi ubungeke uzushatheke down if bonke labantu esikhuluma kubona bengakuboni baleka kwalokho. I think there needs to be a space where you personally reflect on your own. What is this hatred that you have towards LGBTI persons? And then begin to address that. We can then start having conversations. Because it either means that you are very immature for conversation, or you are over hostile and erratic, or vele. All right,
Aluta,
engage in conversation.
Aluta, I'm sorry to cut you. Ngifuna masasa uyivala nje njengoba sengizokunika ithuba lokuyivala. I don't want you to address uMacingwane right now as him, because there's quite a number of people that have agreed with him. I just want you to address that now in your closing statement for the people who see things the way that he sees them. Uguti, culturally, the LGBTQI community must not overstep the mark, because how we dress is symbolic of who we are, and the Zulu culture is representative of a man and a woman, and not a man and a man, or a woman and a woman, etc., etc.
I think, again, within the context of South Africa, there's the existence of cultures. Zulu culture is not the only exceptional cultures. So to prioritize Zulu and make it something that is unreachable. Remember, so if you are saying me, ultimately, even though nobody has custody over Imvunolo. Perhaps we need to have a conversation from the House of Traditional Kosini with Abba Kokta on guidelines on where not to go to. Because remember as well, recently we've never had the Zulu community up in row and up in arms. It's because, that's why this is very, very personal. We need to get to the gist of Lubu personally so that we can pave a way forward. Secondly, we need to understand that we are guided by the Constitution. When we don't want to cancel Ungizwi. But Ungizwi is going against social order, is going against imithetho create an enabling environment, not just only AmaZulu, but for wonke umuntu ohlala phansi komthunzi wase-South Africa. And for as long as kuzoba khona lokho, kufanele understand ukuthi ilungelo lakhe lokukhuluma lamukelekile. We have the right to operate, to expression, but ilungelo lakho lihamba khona lifike la khona selicindezela omunye. And then once lafika la selicindezela khona omunye, ilapho khona ke sekuhlwana isixhanti nomentshisi. So we need to be having these conversations. Concerns, they should not be raised by Ungizwi. They should be raised in the traditional structures which are known, not through, Ungizwi is not a spokesperson for the Zulu culture. He's the spokesperson that's because uzbona yena enkosi yamabhinqa. South Africa water. There's other people, there's Black, Indians, Muslims, gay, lesbian. We need to get to a space where we have conversations so that we can understand one another. And lapho khona bona khona understand and siphinde educate, not lenda yenzayo. Because lenda yenzayo is taking us back for iminyaka yemsebenzi yokusensitize abantu. Maningi cases of LGBTI people have been killed because of reckless comments such as these. We are open for having conversations, Jacinta, but the conversations need to be coming from a space of understanding. Uzulu is not South Africa, that's one. And there also needs to be guidelines as to say, remember, in Skumba, it does not belong. Custody is Skumba. Bangasho ke bona ukuthi le combination ekanje ngeke uzisigqoke kanje isitholo nakanje because the only person who's allowed to do that is the king or abantu basebukhosini, so that we all can be educated, so that we can all coexist. But leyo futhi hambani. No, Baba. Right. You're overstepping.
Thank you so much, Aluta. Macingwane sesiyivala nje kuthini kwakho kuPaul? Macingwane? Angicela usho nje amazwi okugcina sesiyivala.
Amazwi okugcina athi nathi ngikhulumile indaba yento bazali. Uphethe mina nginamoto laba abantu akishima bayalapha emotweni bashuthi ngandla bafike ukuthi laba abantu sebemina besekaphiwe imoto bengaseyoni lokhu njalo isibona thatha umdlalo lobo lapho abantu masithi abamukelekile emvelweni nakuJehova bayayiprova every day into enjalo ukuthi mina nawe siyasike sibe ne-misunderstanding la online nala ucingweni wena usuyokopola ukuthi ngiphilaphi yile nto imali ubuphi umuntu lapho ngiyakubuza dadewethu ngiyakubuza ubuphi umuntu lapho uphi umuntu iy'boshe zakho lana uyihlono nyoko zisejele ziyadla kuyimanje.
I think babungufuna ukufuna understand ukuthi kuyonke into inama-consequences mhlawumbe
ama-consequences manaki uma nje angina-page avalwe wonke ama-page avalwa avalwa imigodo yetabane avalwa imigodo yetabane
njengawo who get emotional and ventilate without thinking.
And then manje kungathetha uludaba oludala iy'nkinga zeney'ndala uzoyifaka kule nto vele mkhuluma ngemvunulo finish ilento engifuna ukutshela yona kwesibili buyisana amapheji ami ezintsha ngoba anginapheji anginalutho mina manje mina angingavulanga lapha pheji ngikhuluma ngobutabani mina bengikhuluma ngemvunulo la so why you get excited and novelele
all right, no, thank you so much. I think uMacingwane is very, very upset. Ngiyazwa nje ukuthi lento kushuthi is personal to him. Ngenxa yokuthi-ke kushuthi sekuhambe kwaze kwathinta impilo yakhe personal. So sizoyivala nje ngenxa ye-explicitity of the conversation. But sibonga kakhulu. Alutha, thank you so much for isikhathi sakho. Sibonge nakungizwe, and we do hope ukuthi ithuba lizofika la kuzokwazi ukuhlalwa phansi and have a decent conversation around such issues, because they are important in nation building. They are important in finding each other. They are important in habiting with each other and living in peace and harmony and loving each other, because ultimately that's the most important thing as South Africans. And we hope ukuthi the rainbow nation that we always preach will one day be by all means possible, where South Africans can live together in peace and harmony. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, Sunday, we've got our interview, which is an exclusive interview that you can tune into. So click on the subscribe button as well as on the notification bell.